Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 wonderful AI tools which will improve your English. You can easily be fluent in English with the help of these 5 tools. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 wonderful AI tools, and with the help of these tools, you can easily be fluent in English, you can easily be speak in English, you can master in English, believe me, within few months. Okay, so the very first tool name is that is very popular nowadays, and the tool name is Meta AI. This is an application that we generally when we open our WhatsApp chat. So this is on the top, Meta. Okay, so here I'm going to give you a demo how to use these Meta AI tools and how to improve your English. Okay, so I'm going to touch my WhatsApp application. Okay, I'm going to open my WhatsApp application, and you can see on the top ask Meta AI or search. So I'm going to ask. Okay, when I touch ask Meta AI or search, you can find different thing like fiction, no, non-fiction, personality quiz. So what do you want to search? Then there is some topic like introduction to landscaping, what is consciousness, obscure TV program, races, 5 ways protein sources, tell me a scary, scary story, build a daily checklist, smartphone device. So many, you can see so many topics, are there. So yes, you can choose any topic and improve your English. Now there is a question in your mind that how to improve our English with the help of this ask Meta AI search. So I'm going to show you a demo. So I'm going to touch scary story. Okay, tell me a scary story. So I'm going to touch tell me a scary story. So you can see here is a scary story for you. So here's a scary story for you. So yes, this is a short and scary story. So yes, now you can understand that you can easily improve your English because with the help of this process you can read some words, some sentences in English, and you can find some vocabulary. And yes, there is some practice while you are going to speak, while you are going to read something, and then try to read out loud. With the help of this process you can easily get a pronunciation, proper pronunciation. And yes, some other benefit of this AI tool that you can find different topic conversation, you can find different vocabulary, you can know how to frame a sentence structure in English. So yes, and this AI tool will help you. Now I am going to touch second thing like top 5 ways protein sources. Okay, so yes, here are the top 5 high protein ways sources hai. So legume, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, soya beans, tofu. So here so many protein sources in food now. So yes, in this way you can easily improve your English. Use Meta AI. This is a very common application nowadays, and this will help you. Believe me, you can find any topic, you can write whatever you want to know about any information. So yes, this application will improve your English. Now let's move on second application. So second application name is English speaking partner in English conversation partners. And this is not a AI partner, actually this is a website, English conversation practice. So I'm going to open because I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So I'm going to touch trips and vacation. So yes, trips and vacation. Okay, so you can see in this way you can easily find some conversation. And so there is three topic like listen, quiz and practice. So I'm going to practice. So yes, there are some thing like mom and Kathy. So I'm going to touch mom. Okay, so yes, you can. That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make hum sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Tell your sisters about the picnic.
Okay, I think it is going to get hot later today.
So that's good. I will be good day for a swim in the lake.
I'll tell Cindy and Allison to wear their swimsuits.
Don't forget to pack your life packets
Okay.
too.
Will Andy be joining us?
Of course, your brother will be joining us. Where is he?
He's taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
You can wake him up.
And after that, you can also record your voice. Okay. Let's move on another application. So now another application name is Stimular. So yes, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So yes, you can easily download this application. Name is Stimular. Okay.
Great to meet new people and enjoy a party. By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away.
Oh, that's interesting. By the way, I've been to a few parties like these. How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday by having a small gathering with close friends and family. We enjoy a special meal, cake, and exchange gifts.
That sounds great. That is a fantastic way to celebrate a birthday. It's been great chatting with you.
I have had a great time chatting with you as well. Enjoy the party.
Absolutely. See you around.
That was great. I hope you had fun in this practice scenario. Now, let's see how well you spoke.
So this is a, feedback. Pronunciation 89%, fluency 52%. You can see fluency 52%, pronunciation. And now I'm continuing it. So continue learning. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot. If I can't get a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot, then I will have a cup of tea. Did you enjoy the lesson? Yes, I enjoy the lesson. 76% score, pronunciation 92% because this is a tongue twister test. Okay, and pronunciation 92%, fluency 61%, and overall score 76%. Okay, so yes, this will give you your feedback. Now let's move on another application, and so another application name is CV, SIVI. You can download this application. So I have already downloaded this application on my phone. So I'm going to open this application. Okay, so yes, you can see the logo of this application. So practice now. Now you have to choice here. So connect with real people, I mean to say the people just like you, that they want to enhance their speaking skills. So yes, you can connect with your co-learners like you. And if you want to personal teacher, so yes, there is AI powered English tutor named Arya personal teacher. So I'm going to touch personal teacher. So yes, talk to Arya. So I'm going to touch talk to Arya. Okay, so talk about anything. So I'm going to talk about anything. Or you have some choice like I need your opinion, daily routine. I'm going to talk about anything. Practice with Arya. Okay. So after that.
Hello, Rita. How can I help you improve your English today? Do you have any specific topic you'd like to discuss or practice?
Okay. So I'm going to. Yes, actually, I just want to improve my English speaking skill, and I just ask you some question that how can I improve my English? How can I get fluency in my English speaking skill? And yes, if you give some suggestion, so it's very good for me. So can you give me some suggestion?
Of course, Rita. Improving your English speaking skills takes practice and consistency. Here are a few suggestions for you. 1. Practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself, record your voice, or find a language partner to practice with. 2. Expand your vocabulary by reading books, articles, and listening to English podcasts or songs. Take note of new words and try to use them in your conversations.
Oh, thank you so much. Actually, your suggestion are help me very good way. So thank you so much again for giving just wonderful suggestion.
You're welcome, Rita. I'm glad the suggestions were helpful to you. Remember, practice and consistency are key. If you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to ask. Keep up the good work.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now I'm going to touch another application, and another application is name is Peer Up. Okay, so yes, this is a wonderful application. With the help of this application, you can easily improve your English. So I'm going to open this application on my Android phone. So I have already downloaded this application on my mobile phone. So if you haven't downloaded this application, then please download this application. So this is application name Peer Up, Peerup Up, Peer Up. Okay, so yes, here it will ask you a question: practice with partner or practice role play. So I'm going to touch practice with partner. Okay, so yes, there it will ask you question human or AI. So I'm going to touch AI because nowadays AI application will help us. Okay, so yes, AI, start searching, speak in English language, searching for the perfect practice partner.
Right, so fire. Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
So your name is Mayank Dubey?
Yeah, you're all right.
Okay, okay. So Mayank, where are you from?
I'm speaking from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, okay. So Madhya Pradesh. So yes, Mayank, my name is Rita, and I'm speaking from Uttar Pradesh. So,
Okay.
Mayank, are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student of Masters. As of now, I am pursuing MCA, Master of Computer Application.
Okay, okay, okay. So do you know about some knowledge AI tools?
Mm-mm. Yeah, I have.
Okay, okay.
But my main work is developing websites. I love to make websites.
Okay, okay, okay. So your English is good, and so how long time have you been learning this language?
Yeah, you are asking me about the using of this app or learning English.
No, I'm not using asking and using this app. I'm just asking कि कितने समय से आप इस भाषा को सीख रहे हैं?
Or I'm working on English before last 2 or 3 years. Yeah,
Okay, last 2 or 3 years. So
but you know I'm not like I'm not
consistent.
continuously working
Okay,
on
you
this.
are not consistently work on your speaking terms. Okay, but you are
Yeah.
learning this language for 3 years ago.
Two
Okay,
or 3 years.
or
Yeah,
2 or 3 years.
I'm trying.
Okay, 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 okay. So
What about you?
yes, I'm just like you because I'm not perfect in speaking terms. So that's why I thought, why not learn this language with the help of Android phone, YouTube. You know, there are so many platforms for learning this language, and just like AI, so many apps. So with the help of these apps and AI partner, I just want to
Okay.
improve my English speaking skill. So yes, I am a teacher, but in speaking terms, I'm just like you. I'm learner. I'm beginner. So
Okay.
don't worry about just like you are thinking like I am a teacher. So that's why you feel hesitate. Your English is good, and yes,
Okay.
keep
So
going on. So thank you for talking with me. We have a wonderful conversation. So thank you
okay.
again.
Same here.
Okay.
So you wanna go?
Just I want to go
Okay.
because
Then.
I have some
Okay.
work.
Okay. So you can. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. So yes, in this way you can improve your English with the help of this application. If you want to enhance your speaking skills and you have no anyone with whom you can speak in English, so yes, you can get your partner with the help of these AI tools, with the help of these apps, and these are free and cost application. You don't need to give some money for learning this language. You don't need to go anywhere, okay, any place. You can use this application according to your time, according to your convenient. So yes, these are some wonderful application. Use this application with to improve your English speaking skill. And yes, believe me, if you really use this application, so believe me, after 3 months in a new year, you will find a different version. You will find a new version that emerges inside you. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.